1935 Ford Model 48 Slantback 4-door sedan. More of a stock vehicle than a street rod. Lots of times you're seeing videos on our website of street rods. Here we have more of a stock vehicle. Powered by a flathead V8 underneath the hood. That's what these would have originally came from back in 35 from Ford. As you can see, the bright work chrome, nice on this car. Of course, the Greyhound hood ornament. Bumper chromed. Chrome really pops with that indigo blue background with the red pinstripe and wire spoked wheels and kind of an era correct looking Goodyear wide white wall tire. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this, so you can see the underside, interior, and we'll get into that more here in a bit, but check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you're able to check out those still pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, paired up with that flathead, still has the manual 3-speed transmission. Again, like it would have came with from Ford back in 35. Of course, this car is all steel. Some of the service work we just recently did to this car. Gas tank, fuel tank was drained and cleaned, as well as all the fuel lines blown clean, carb cleaned and set, and gapped plugs, clean plugs. So this one will fire right up when we get in around to the other side to let you hear how it runs and check out that engine bay. Come around to the rear, Continental kit. Now remember, we do consider trades. If you're located in the continental United States, we can assist you with the shipping. Financing is available, and of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Say paint on this car, very showable. Again, bright work and chrome in the back, nice shape. You know, are you going to find a few little, you can see a little touch up, if you can see that, I can get it to show or not. I mean, you're going to find a few spots where it's been touched up. You can tell it's a well taken care of car, but at the same time, take a look at the reflection coming off of that, nice luster to it. You see the showroom behind me and the doors. Of course, the suicide doors. These windows also have a crank and will slide from the front to back portion of the way to open. Interior is a LeBaron Bonney interior, so nice quality. Again, very era correct, kind of that mohair type look to it. What these would have came with back in 35. So yeah, set up very nicely. Previous owner states gauges are working. I had the radio turned on, light came on. You can get some static out of the speaker, but I was not able to get a channel in here, but the radio did light up. Let's check out this rear seating compartment too. The seat will fold down, and there is a storage area in that slant back part in the rear. If you look across the car, you can see the knob that turns that will slide that glass window back. We have very authentic handles, all the hardware on the inside, also very nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Alright. Push start button on the floor, center between the pedals. See the amp gauge move there. Comes up the oil pressure. Smooth running flathead. Show you that radio real quick too. Like I said, this knob, turn it on, as you can see, lights up. You will start to get static out of that speaker, but I was not able to get a station. And you can turn the dial and see it changing. nice. The doors closed. Everything seems to fit well. Slip around to the back. What you expect a flathead to sound like? No crazy exhaust. Doesn't sound like any exhaust leaks. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get one of the sides of the hood open here so we at least check out that engine bay. Alright, just pop the driver's side here for you to check out the engine bay. Again, very stock looking. The way this car would have came. So that flatty's running very smooth. And if you want to check out the other side, check out the whole engine bay. Again, can be seen in the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. 1935 Ford Model 48 Slantback Sedan. Remember, financing is available. If you live within the continental United States, we can assist you with the shipping. Financing is available. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.